Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling income and ID documents so calculations are accurate. Use W-2s and 1099s to list each income source with amounts. Once done, tally deductible expenses and group receipts by category. This lowers taxable income. Make sure to confirm your filing status and dependents because those change standard deduction and tax brackets. Finally, enter state residency details to allocate state tax. These first inputs set the foundation for computing taxable income and selecting credits. You now compute taxable income step by step. First, add all gross income lines into one total so you see the full picture. Next, subtract allowable adjustments like retirement contributions or student loan interest to get adjusted gross income. Then decide between the standard deduction or itemized totals. Pick whichever yields lower tax. After that, apply non-refundable and refundable tax credits to reduce tax liability. These calculations produce the taxable income base used to determine the tax owed. You finish by converting taxable income to a dollar tax using the current tax rates or tables for your filing status. Once you have that preliminary tax, subtract credits and add other obligations like self-employment tax. Then subtract federal and state withholding and estimated payments to get refund or amount due. File electronically for fastest processing and use direct deposit if refund applies. If numbers don't match expected results, double-check entries, math, and overlooked income or credits as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.